Pick up the order, drop it off.
Wait a minute.
All you gotta do. You thought we wasn't finna be back?
Come on, man.
So you thought it was over?
Come on, man.
Yeah, we only pay the drivers $2. So what? And they better drop that order off and take a picture, or we might give them a violation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
DoorDash will send you some bad offers. I mean, who is taking these offers out here? Because it ain't no way that you is not running your car into the and a whole bunch of gas and sitting there twiddling your thumbs inside these merchants.
Come on, man.
Waiting on your orders to come out. There's no way possible that this is what's happening right now. Look, DoorDash is trash. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. But what can you do to make sure that you staying profitable and staying as far as away from the trash as you can? Well, in this video, we're gonna talk about it. Let's get right into it. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. I got a couple DoorDash orders I want to share with you. And whatever you do, do not take orders like these. These are the types of orders that will lose money for you every single time. Now, before we get into it, hit that like and that subscribe button for me. Because if I ain't taking these orders, I ain't making no money. But let me quit playing. Look, check this out. $4.50, guys, all jokes aside, for 11 miles at Dash Mart. Now, I ain't been to Dash Mart in over a year. But look, 11 miles for $4, that's unacceptable. We cannot be taking orders like this, guys. Now, if this was on Earn by Time, that'd be a different story. It wouldn't even tell you the dollar amount, but this right here, what is this, a $2 tip, a $1 tip? Has this been declined so many times it went up to $4.50 where you just got a bag up at Dash Mart, just sitting up there chilling, waiting to go 11 miles away, huh? What is wrong with we is not making no money on the order like this, but you know that, don't you, DoorDash? You just don't care. You just want to make sure that you get the delivery fee and the service fee, which is about $10, depending on which market you living in. You just worried about getting that fee. You don't care if a Dash should get this, and not make no money, actually gonna lose money driving a 20-mile round trip. You don't care about that. Oh, you also don't care that the customer probably gonna wait about an hour to 2 hours for this to get to him, and it probably ain't nothing but a couple packs of Skittles, some cigarettes, cigarillos, and beer. But you don't care about none of that. All you care about is collecting that $10, and if a Dash your car break down on halfway back driving that 11-mile drive, you don't care. And if the customer Slurpee then melt it because it's been sitting there for 2 hours, you don't care about that either, because you're not going to give them a refund, and you're probably going to deactivate the Dasher if they say anything crazy. Check this out. This next order is stupid. $3.25 for 8 miles. This thing, I literally got to turn the AC on for this order because it's so crazy. This order literally got me hot, got me sweating. $3.25 for 8.2 miles. Who is taking these orders? This is why we can't make no money with DoorDash, because we was getting subsidized with investors in the beginning, and customers was actually tipping, pretty decently for the amount of mileage they was away. But at a certain point, these customers just became addicted. They just became addicted to ordering whatever they want, whatever comes to their mind, and getting it delivered to that door. The hell with how much it costs, and the hell with tipping a driver for that matter. This is absolutely crazy. $3.25. That is a no-tip order right there. This order is for prime time lunch. Well, actually, the beginning of lunchtime, 11:55. No, I'm tripping. This ain't no lunchtime order. This is a nighttime dinner order. 11:55 p.m. 11:55 p.m. is late as hell at night. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. And you're going to make $3 while driving at midnight. That's absolutely crazy. Don't take orders like this. And if you're a customer and your ass 8 miles away want some Buffalo Wild Wings at midnight, you need to be tipping $10. What is wrong with you? Or go get it your damn self. If you hop in your car at midnight and go get the damn order yourself, because this is ridiculous. $3.25. Oh my goodness, look at this. We got a 3 o'clock in the morning delivery. This mug say $2.75 for 8.7 miles at 3 a.m. This is absolutely crazy. 3 a.m.? Can y'all see that? This order literally say 3 a.m. I cannot believe what I'm seeing with my eyes. $2.75, no tip, no trip, man. I wish they would ask me to drive almost 10 miles for no tip at 3 a.m. If a customer ain't tipping at 3 a.m., they just a low down dirty scoundrel. I mean, this is absolutely crazy, guys. But I had to show y'all this because these are the types of orders that come through most of the time on your phone when you download DoorDash. So if it's any people out there thinking about, trying to get out here in this gig economy and make some money, don't. For one, keep your job. Don't quit your day job. I'm not saying don't download the apps and try to make a little bit of money, but don't try to pay your bills with these apps. Save up a little money on the gas. Maybe fill up your gas tank every now and then. Maybe go buy yourself something nice to eat on the weekend. But that's about it, because with the orders like this, your acceptance rate will go down. You will be knocked out of the tiers that will give you the good paying orders, because you got to take these orders to get the good paying orders. Look at this. $5.25 for Indian food going 15 miles away. Now, I stopped going to Indian spots a long time ago, because I noticed that they don't care. They will have you waiting 30 minutes to an hour. The customers don't be tipping. Let's keep it 100. And look, it's going to be a waste of your time. Now, I know a lot of people may say, well, hey, you never know. Maybe they tip in cash. You are gambling. And when it comes to these Indian restaurants, I can't be gambling with an hour worth of my time and they sending me $5.25 for 15 miles. Let me know in the comments below, would you have taken any of the orders I showed you so far? So far, we did $4.50. We didn't do it. We showed it. $4.50 for 11 miles. That's a 22-mile round trip. Then we got $3.25 for 8.2 miles. That's a 16-mile round trip for $3. This is absolutely crazy. $2.75 for 8.7, another 17-mile round trip for $2. All these orders gonna take you over an hour. With the arrival time, the wait time, the drive time, then the round trip miles, you're gonna be an hour on each one of these orders, not even making minimum wage. This is absolutely illegal. This got to be criminal activity that these companies is engaging in to be able to offer you a low pay for whatever you doing for an hour of work. Let's cut that out. This is why they are introducing legislation in certain areas. This is why the DoorDash is spending more money than ever lobbying against legislation, because they know that if they really have to pay drivers a decent wage to get these deliveries done, either by the hour or by the delivery, they have no chance of becoming a profitable company. They need a legion. They need multiple fleets of stupid drivers taking orders like this. $2, $4, $5. They need drivers taking orders like that to make them money. But you can't be worried about making DoorDash money, because they will deactivate your ass faster than you will click off of this video. So you need to understand, only take orders that are profitable. Don't be taking orders thinking that, oh, DoorDash is going to reward me later. They ain't about to reward you. They about to send you more orders like this. And if you lucky and everybody else busy, you might get a good order. But other than that, no, you are gambling with your time, and you better off going to work in a W-2 somewhere at this point, because it's not the good old days where every order got a good tip or every order got a high base pay being subsidized. No. You need to get you a W-2 job, go get education, go do something, because this ain't it right here. Now, it is other apps in the gig economy that you can use and make good money with. And it's also different strategies you can use to make good money, even with DoorDash. But taking orders like this do not fall within that strategy. And I'm going to let you know right now, food delivery is on the decline as far as the gig economy goes. There's a lot of different earnings opportunities when it comes to the gig economy. Food delivery is just one branch of that gig economy tree. But this DoorDash branch is dying really fast. And it just needs a steady stream of new drivers willing to take just a few of these. If you download DoorDash and you do 2 of these crappy offers in your lifetime, DoorDash has won. Even if you get a cash tip, DoorDash still has won, because their main goal is to get as many of these cheap ass offers delivered so they can get a chance at making a profit, get more investors believing in the process, get more customers addicted to ordering that DoorDash, get more drivers dependent on them $2, $3 orders. This is what DoorDash needs to get profitable. But what you need is $10 for 2 miles. You need $20 for 4 miles. You need shopping orders that, pay you a little bit more for your time and the miles stay low. That's what you need to stay profitable in this DoorDash gig economy game. If you're a new driver out there, I recommend you do this. Download multiple apps so that while you using DoorDash in your market, yeah, they might have the most market share, the most amount of opportunities, but you still spreading out your earnings across different avenues. Because take it from me, somebody who's been deactivated multiple times. They don't care about you. And the customers, they really don't care. They know they getting charged. Look, customers, stuff that cost them $26 a year and 2 years ago, it's costing them $36 now, $38, $40. And they see that on them receipts. So they like, look, I need this food that I done ordered and got accustomed to getting at my house. They need that. But what they don't need is you, an expendable driver. Every time these customers place an order, they get a different driver. It's like You got a higher chance of getting struck by lightning than getting a repeat customer the way these gig apps is going. So make sure you be safe out there. Think about yourself. Be very, very selfish when it comes to working these gig apps, because the company don't care about you. The customer don't care about you. So you got to care about yourself 3 times as much when you out here driving your vehicle, because you have no protections, you have no job security, and you have no union. You have no types of customer support. The only thing you got is a couple folks like myself out here on YouTube trying to keep you on the up and up so you can stay informed and stay on top of your earnings game. So look, if you enjoyed this video, do me one favor, just like I said in the beginning. Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and check out some of these other videos, because that's how I'm diversifying myself out here in this gig economy. I'll see you in the next one.